everyone, it's Heather here at the Greensboro Children's Museum. Welcome to the Edible Schoolyard Kitchen, where I would love to share with you a delicious, refreshing, and hydrating summer drink recipe. And it's very simple. So we are going to be using a few ingredients I have here, and I'll introduce to you. But the star ingredient in this drink recipe is melon. I'm using watermelon. You can use any melon in place of watermelon that you have on hand, or maybe that you find at your local farmer's market like I did. So watermelon, we are going to need about 4 cups for this recipe. We are also going to be using a cucumber, about a medium-sized cucumber, a half of a lemon, some mint leaves that I just harvested from the garden, and a 1/4 cup of honey or any sweetener of your choice. You can also use sugar. So the first thing we need to do to prepare this drink is steep the mint in the sweetener and get the sugar all dissolved and let this steep for about 20 to 25 minutes to really bring out the flavors of the mint. So let's do that first. Okay everyone, so the first step, like I said, we need to dissolve our sugar. So we do need about 1.5 cups of water for this amount of drink we're making. And of course that's adjustable depending on how much you are making. So 1.5 cups of water, and then I'm gonna pour the sweetener, mine is honey, into the water. So we're basically making a little sugar boost to our already sweet watermelon. All right, so we are gonna give this time to heat up and dissolve the sugar. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go tear my mint leaves off the stem. So our sugar is dissolved in the water. We are ready to add our mint leaves. I've turned the burner off, so it's still hot, but not on. I'm gonna take a lid, cover up. Actually, let's do a little stir. Make sure everything is coated well. We're gonna cover it up for about 20 to 25 minutes. Let's go slice our cucumbers. Friends, I think we are ready to throw things into a blender and start the mixing process. All right, so we're gonna begin with watermelon. Dump it in. Cucumbers, toss those in. And the lid on the top. So I'm gonna start off on low, blending. Go for just a moment to give the cucumber skin a chance to really grind up. All right, we are going to be doing some straining too, so if you don't get it quite the way you want it, you can certainly strain out the bits and pieces. I'm adding in the the mint tea and honey. It was steeping for a while. And then we're gonna pulse that for just a moment. Woo. All right, ready for lemon juice. We're gonna do the same thing, give that a little pulse, strain, and drink. Okay, so I've decided to strain over something a little larger, such as my 4-cup measuring cup. So here we go. I'll be able to go a little faster here. And it might be helpful to take a spoon, maybe a wooden spoon or a spatula, and give it a little stir. That will encourage the juice to strain through. And if you have a compost bin at home, it's a great place to throw all this pulp. so we've removed our pulp. All we have is beautiful clean juice, and it made about 4 cups. So this recipe yields 4 cups, which could be about 4 servings. So I'm gonna enjoy a glass myself and then put the rest in the refrigerator to chill some more. So ice, juice, and one thing I really love to do is garnish with a mint twig. So sprig of mint, and you are ready to enjoy. Perfect, refreshing on a hot summer day, just as I imagined. Hope you enjoy this recipe, friends. Bye.